So with the iPhone 13 Pro out in the market, we're seeing a lot of different cases from different manufacturers. And today we have here some cases sent over by Shieldon or Shieldon Case to the channel. Big shout out to them. And so yeah, let's go over these cases and see what protections they're going to offer your iPhone 13 Pro. With that said, let's get started. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here for Team BRY. Now if you want to check out these cases, I will drop some links in the description below, as well as links to some of my other case reviews here on the channel. Alright, so first off, you have the Shieldon Leather Wallet Case. It comes in some simple but nice looking packaging, and opening the box you get the case itself, as well as some paperwork with additional information about the company, a lifetime warranty card, as well as additional details about the case. Handling the case itself feels very nice, there's a nice weight to it, and according to Shieldon, their cases are made from handcrafted premium leather. Now to be honest, I'm not sure how accurate this statement is, but so far the leather does feel like good quality. There's also an inner TPU case which holds the phone in place. It feels sturdy, and as you can see, the sides are flexible but not too soft, and they aren't warped like some other cheaper cases out there. They mostly have a straight shape to them, which is nice. And another feature that comes with the case are card slots on the inner flap, and according to the company, they come with RFID filters, so your credit cards and bank cards are protected inside the case. The case also has a magnetic clip, so it won't randomly swing open. Putting the iPhone 13 Pro inside the case is pretty easy, as you just pop your device inside the TPU portion of the case and you're pretty much good to go. It does feel secure, and your iPhone won't slip out of this case accidentally. The buttons likewise feel nice and clicky, and you have access to all the important ports on your phone. The camera cutout has a nice depth to it, so your camera lens won't easily come into contact with external surfaces. The backside though is a bit thick, so I'm not sure if MagSafe charging will work here. The case has a nice feel overall, and if you're after a classy looking case, then this fits the bill. Alright, so there's another version of this case that comes with an extra leather strap. They're mostly similar in design, although this case features a magnetic flap which helps in keeping your case closed. Like I said, they're mostly the same, and even the inner parts have a similar look. Now the cases do come in other colors, and as you can see, we have a couple more colors on here, such as light brown, dark blue, and dark green. And you can always check out the Shieldon Case website on the internet to see their full range of colors and variants. Alright, so this pretty much does it for our review. I do think that these cases have good quality, although time will tell if they will be durable enough to stand up to daily wear and tear. They're a bit on the expensive side, but the build quality seems decent so far, and they offer some stylish protection for your iPhone 13 Pro. Guys, we have a lot more case reviews here on the channel, so feel free to check out the other videos here on Team BRY. Once again, thanks for watching.